Hello, and welcome back to another EPC Teardown Guide. Today we're taking a look at something that requires no introduction, Sony's DualShock 3, PlayStation's first introduction to a wireless controller. It's a fairly simple item to take apart, honestly. So today we're going to show you how, and make sure to follow us, and we'll show you how to make a shadow box out of it later. Now let's get into it. We'll start with this old thing. We just have all these pretty obvious screw holes in the back. I'll tell you right now, putting these things back together is harder than taking them apart. You can see it already wants to open itself back up. So we'll just pull that apart. What we have in this back casing is actually the triggers, which themselves pop right out once you fully pull the trigger down. They're just setting these little rails right there, pretty easy. Now for the main body, we have these triggers as well. Little rubber inserts. The tricky part on these is going to be removing this battery, unplugging it less so. Should just be able to pull that out. Actually, stick something right in that hole to help ease it out. There we go. Now to get the battery off, it should just be held on by an adhesive pad. There we go. Just pull up gentle, maybe not gentle, but consistently. Don't retch at it, it'll come off. Because then there's that one screw hidden underneath. And that board should just come right up. Along with the rumble pads. Since we have this case open, you have this rubber insert and all the buttons. This center insert and the one PlayStation button. And finally, you have the D-pad, and it's one large button, and then the empty case. Now you have the main board and this little, I don't even know what you'd call this, a plastic bridge board that holds this screen board on top. Same board a lot. So to get this off, it's actually held in by these little clips here in the back. You just have to push those out, and this comes off. And you could also take this off of here if you want. Yeah, we'll leave it on there for now. And then there's the joysticks, but those pull right off. And that's really all there is to it. These rumble packs are soldered directly to the board. That looks like that connector actually came off. And the joysticks are also soldered in. As you can see, it's very straightforward, something like this. If you keep following us, you'll see in our upcoming video we're going to make a shadow box out of this. Help recycle those old components into new artwork. Thank you all for watching.
Don't feel like doing a teardown yourself? Have not just one, but hundreds of devices taking up space? EPC is a global leader in the ITAD field, and it's our goal to reduce e-waste and give devices a second chance. Reach out to us today to learn more.